Gemini. Let's see. This is a Gemini Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Bonus reading for the month of June. For your personal reading, kindly send me a direct message. Kamusta mga Gemini? Kamusta? Ang mga madaling malito? Ang napaka-flaky energy ng ating mga Gemini? Let's see. Gemini Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Bonus reading for the month of June. Let's see ang mga energies ng ating mga Gemini. Okay? For your personal reading, just send me a direct message. Ingat sa mga scammers. At ang ating crystals, naka-promo pa din. Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Bonus reading for the month of June. Let's see. Alright. Okie dokie. Gemini. Lies, deception, may nasaktan sa sitwasyon na to. Okay, marami daw lies at deception na tinanggap sa sitwasyon na to. Non-negotiables na hindi matanggap, but dahil mahal nyo yung isa't isa, ang dakilang pag-iibigan. Kahit toxic ang relationship, sige, binigyan ng another chance, nagpatawad, nagkaroon ng reconnection, reconciliation. Someone feels na parang sobrang natapakan ng kanyang ego, self-worth because of the other person's dishonest behavior. Someone walk away and sabi ng person na to, ito ang makakabuti para sa inyong dalawa. Nagkaroon ng patuloy na burden, hindi agad naka-let go, may sabihin natin konting drama, sisihan. You try to step back, but dumating ka sa point wherein you try to step back, you sit down, and then nag-contemplate ka ng mga bagay, pinag-isipan mo ano ba talaga nangyari, anong mali, what you could have done better. Okay? Na-realize ng mga Gemini na parang hindi naman worth it na magbigay ng another chance sa connection na to. You took a leap of faith, you had a new beginning, you had a new mindset, mas pinahalagahan mo na ang sarili mo. Okay? And this time, I feel, nag-speak up ka about mga bagay na nakakasakit sa'yo sa relationship na to. Nagkaroon ng injustice sa situation na to, nagkaroon ng revelation ng mga bagay na kailangan pag-usapan kasi hindi na talaga maganda ang sitwasyon ng relationship. And I feel, both of you agreed kung ano yung mas makakabuti para sa inyong dalawa. Sabi ng feminine sa connection na to, parang hindi na tama na i-keep pa ang connection na to kahit gaano daw yung pagpapahalaga niya, parang hindi naman nakita ng masculine yung value niya, what the feminine brings to the table. I feel may dalawang involved na feminine here. Sabi ng masculine, hindi siya ready makipag-usap because hindi rin niya alam, nagkaroon ng realization ng masculine na hindi naman talaga pala siya ready to build a stable and long-term connection. For now, hindi siya ready sa ganong klaseng responsibilities. I feel for most of you, nag-focus na lang sa kaperahan, negosyo, career, pag-aaral, and nilabanan mo yun, no? Kasi parang meron like I can't get a better term, but parang nagkaroon ng medyo, you feel depressed, down, you feel down about the situation, na nawalan ka ng gana sa trabaho, pag-aaral, pero nakaahon naman agad. Right? Let's see. Hindi kasi pwedeng isa lang ang ready or mas ready yung isa marami pang hinahanap or fini-figure out sa buhay, hindi talaga magkakasundo. Or, pag kumapit, mas masasaktan yung isa. Okay? For mental clarity, charge ko na kasi yung crystal sa kine-cleanse ko. For mental clarity and stronger connection with the divine, amethyst crystal. Okay? To heal your heart chakra and to have a harmony sa iyong puso, sa emosyon, to heal your emotional wounds, Madagascar rose quartz. So, nag-expect ng pagbabago, but it feels nagkaroon ng disappointing situation, nagdala ng overthinking, sleepless nights, at kung ano man yung naging conflict, it's because of a choice. I feel nangyari na to, na pag-usapan na, but then, naulit. Or, alam mo yon, hindi ready magbago. Recent past, nagkaroon ng planong pag-uusap. Nagkaroon ng planong pag-uusap. Nagkaroon ng brief reconnection, reconciliation. Naging happy naman yon. There's a Gemini energy here. But hindi nag-move forward ng maayos ang reconnection na to. Naging on and off, na parang ang shallow. Nung nagkaroon kayo ng reconnection, biglang na-realize na naman na parang hindi naman sincere or parang hindi talaga ready. Maraming napag-usapan, but hindi ready for a commitment. Naging flaky yung energy. So, hindi nag-work out. Okay? May prayers and manifestations pa rin kahit ganun yung nangyari na sana magkaroon ng harmony sa situation na to. Manifesting harmony, Brazilian, Madagascar, rose quartz. Okay? So, meron ditong energy right now, sabi ng mga Gemini, nakaka-confuse. So, para matabunan, no? Para wala kang maisip na tamang decision sa love for now. And because of that, parang binigay mo yung attention mo sa trabaho, sa hobbies mo, sa mga bagay na pinagkakaabalahan mo. Okay? Other than love. Your person, hindi makamove forward sa relationship, naiisip ka pa, hindi pa siya nakamove forward, hindi pa siya over, still in the same old cycle of wishful thinking of what could have been sa relationship na to. Naisip ka niya, Gemini, at sabi niya very strong yung connection yung dalawa. Meron kang fear and doubt kung meron kang mga gustong gawin, i-manifest. This is not about love. This is about dreams and manifestations na kaya mo ba yung abutin? Because you don't feel productive or meron ka mga doubts about your own productivity. Okay? About your own skill. Yung tiwala mo sa sarili mo medyo down right now. And I pray na maiangat mo yan. Okay? Meron ka rin mga doubts kung ready ka ba talaga sa long-term commitment, ready ka ba talagang mag-settle down, okay? But I feel not yet. Until the end of September, I don't feel na magkakaroon ng stability. Someone is really not ready for a commitment. Maraming expectations pa rin na sana maayos tong relationship na to. Someone is not ready and someone can't let go. Okay? Kung ano yung ine-expect nung someone na hindi pa maka-let go, I feel magkakaroon ng possible disappointments. Kasi kung ano yung hinihintay niya, maaring hindi pa rin ready yung person in the next 3 months. But I feel, iniisip niyo pa rin yung possible na magandang future outcome ng relationship na to. Happiness, wish fulfillment. Alam mo, kahit gano'n ka kasi kamahal ng person, if hindi ready, hindi ready. Iba kasi yung someone who loves you and someone who's ready for a relationship, and ideally, it should be both. Someone who loves you and ready for commitment. Okay? Kasi kahit ready for commitment, ang hirap naman kung hindi nyo mahal yung isa't isa or hindi nyo gusto. Hindi rin naman pwedeng mahal lang. Diba? Dapat also is ready to commit, ready to, make sacrifices to make the connection work out. Okay? Nakikita ko hindi pa ready na i-move forward ang relationship na to. Do pareho kayong wishful thinking na para someday gusto nyo rin naman magkaroon ng stable partnership, family, and mga dreams, material things. But right now, parang hindi pa ito yung time talaga na isama sa plano ang mga long-term plans, especially relationship, dahil may mga kasamang responsibilities to. At maaaring sabihin natin, parang nakatatak sa inyo na yung away, yung conflict ng dalawa ay nakakaapekto sa like yung araw-araw na mood and yung mga goals. Okay? Manifesting abundance, Brazilian citrine. Okay, meron din tayong carnelian for courage and good luck. The Nazar, the evil eye amulet for to show away bad energies, evil eye, and to ground your emotions and energy. Okay? So for now, wala ako masyadong nakikitang good news para sa ating mga Gemini. It would be like, ikaw ang magde-decide kung kailan ka ready. But I don't see that in the next 3 months. Someone ay maaaring ma-disappoint kapag hindi niya nag-ground yung energies niya na harapin yung reality na hindi talaga ready yung isa. hindi kayo pareho ng commitment level for now. And that would be the Gemini reading, bonus reading for the month.